Greengram aloe vera gel. You will need greengram noodle. Grind it to a fine powder. Natural aloe vera gel. Add 2 ts of greengram powder. Add 2 ts of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Store it in a glass jar. You can store the gel in the refrigerator for 1 week. Apply this gel on your face and leave it overnight. Use it daily to get flawless glass skin and reduce wrinkles. DIY Greengram Facial Toner. Plain water 1 cup. Add greengram powder 2 ts. Mix it well. Spray the toner on your face. Use a facial toner daily to shrink large pores. It has the cleansing properties and doesn't let the pores in your skin get clogged up by dirt and oil. Noodle has vitamin C, which has antioxidant and anti-aging properties.